So hello everyone, my name is Michael Ingledew and I am delighted that the guys at MindManager have asked me to be a guest speaker on one of their upcoming webinars. Now, my job and role in the world is I advise clients on how to develop what is known as integrated product support strategies. How can we leverage support information to maximize user engagement, but also integrate with external systems? Now, on this short webinar, I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about technical publications, the role of the modern technical publication, and I'm going to introduce something called S1000D, which is a specification that in the areas where I work, which is aerospace, defense and space, is pretty much the de facto specification of use. So I'm going to teach you a little bit about S1000D, the role of the modern technical publication, and of course how I use MindManager to help my customers visualize complex S1000D structures. Now I'm going to give you one example on the webinar. We use MindManager for lots of different things, and I'll list them on the webinar and tell you about them, but I hope that you find it useful and interesting. So if you want to learn a little bit about technical publications, a little bit about S1000D, and a little bit about how collaboratively I am working with my customers to help define complex structures, this is the webinar for you. So please do connect with me on LinkedIn, follow this YouTube channel, or follow Tech Data World on any of our social channels. I do lots of things around MindManager and affordable tools that can help us in the complex information domain. I'll put a link to the webinar down below. Hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you on the webinar. A massive thank you to the team at MindManager for inviting me along for the ride.